they crashed. Hey everybody, we've got 2 Paw Patrol track sets. Now the cool thing about both these sets is they have a vehicle that will drive all by itself. You just push this button and Marshall starts driving. Woohoo! This is gonna be a lot of fun. So he can drive, and we also have the train, and it can drive all by itself. And they're gonna race around the track and race around the town. And we're gonna connect them together and get them going at the same time. It's gonna be so much fun. We also have the monster truck vehicles, and they can go on the track. It's Marshall with his really cool monster truck for off-roading. Who else do we have? Here is Rocky. And he's got his recycle truck. I mean his monster truck. And this looks a lot like Blaze and the Monster Machines. And he's got his tag here. Rocky. Who else do we have? Zuma! Whoa, that is so cool. And we have Rubble. Rubble on the double with his bulldozer. That is an awesome monster truck. Then we have Sky, and she's ready to get down and dirty. Look at those muddy tires. And Chase. These guys are really neat, and we've got the complete set of Monster Truck Paw Patrol. So they're gonna have a lot of fun on this track. We even have Apollo, the Super Pup. And here's his tag. And he's a little racer, and he's gonna race around the track. And Robo-Dog. Wow, I love your vehicle, Robo-Dog. It looks a lot like the Paw Patroller. Woohoo! Now let's get these tracks unboxed and start putting them together. And get Marshall out of here. You're really stuck, Marshall. Ah, there we go. He's starting to drive. Woohoo! There is our Marshall vehicle. I can't wait to see him drive. Oh, he's starting up his engines. Woo-woo! See how he's driving? And you press the button when you want him to stop. All right, time to get the train out of the box. There we go. Whoa, that's a lot of pieces. It may take us a little bit to put this together. And we gotta get our train out. After you put the batteries in, all you have to do is press right here, and he starts to drive. Now we have to put together his track so that he has a place to drive. And you can attach them right here. And there's 2 crates and Rubble figurine. Watch him go. Woohoo! Whoa, that was fast. Over here we have our train track set, and over here we have our Adventure Bay set with Marshall's Fire Rescue. So we're gonna put this one together first, and then we'll do the train track. Let's scoot this over and open this up, and we're gonna see what the directions tell us to do first. Here are our directions, and some more pieces. There we go. Now we've got all the pieces out. Step number 1, we have to build our hill. And it's gonna go on here like this. And we need to do the same thing on the other side. There we go. And then we're gonna attach them together, just like that. Step 3, we are going to put our water tower together. And you can see how the water comes down. to fill up Marshall's vehicle. There we go. And you just snap it in there. And now we have a water tower. See there? And now we need to build our figure 8. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Time to build. Ta-da! It's all put together. Oh, and one more thing. I've got these switched around. This piece is what stops Marshall when he's under the water tower. So it needs to go back here. And this piece goes right here. So now our water tower can go over here. Our building, it goes right here. Very nice. And we need our trees and our light post. Now, to incorporate the train track set, we're gonna have to get a little creative. So we're gonna rearrange everything and try and attach the train track set so they can be all part of the same set. All right, I think I've got them all put together. That was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be, and we had to rearrange the pieces quite differently. So you can see how we've got a little bit of an oval here and a little bit of a circle here. We didn't use all the pieces, but we've got them put together and we're ready to put our cars on. It's gonna be a lot of fun to let Marshall drive around and let the train drive around. Woohoo! There's Apollo and Sky and Chase, and there's Marshall with his monster truck, and Rubble and Robodog. All right, let's get these engines going. Here it goes. Whoa, look at him drive. He's climbing the hill. Whoa, that's so fast. Here he comes. Woo. Oh no, there's a fire. Marshall, we need you to put it out. Can he do it? He put out the fire. Woohoo, Marshall! Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Are you ready for the train to start driving? All right, train. Hey, you're missing one of your carts. We've got to put the green cart on. Here you go. And who wants to go for a ride? Robodog wants to go for a ride. There we go. And Rubble. Rubble on the double. Here we go. Choo choo. Chugga chugga. Look at him go. I hope we don't have a wreck. Chugga chugga. Choo choo. This is so cool. Pushed Marshall off the track. Here you go, Marshall. Oh, hold, you gotta wait your turn. Uh-oh, Rubble's on the track. Oh no, Rubble, hurry and get off. Oh, poor Rubble. Here you go, buddy. Who else wants to go for a ride? How about Sky? There we go. And Chase. Choo choo. There they go. Marshall, can you help someone else go for a ride? Watch this. Whoa! Apollo, you're going. can't make it up the hill. Let's help him. Here you go. Come on. There you go. And here comes the train. Choo-choo. This set is so cool. All right, we need you to put out a fire. Marshall, come to the rescue. Meow. Hurry and put out the fire. Oh no, he derailed. Here you go, buddy. And he put out the fire. Woohoo! But these toys are a lot of fun, and I was super excited to share them with you. I love all the monster truck, Paw Patrol toys. If you have any questions, crash! Place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.